Okay, Eddie, here's currently looking at about 4 ohms and car will start. So it's got a brand new inhibitor switch on it. If I up here, so that's in reverse now, so obviously it's not going to start. If I really gently bring it back into park, that wasn't gentle. Oh, we got it. So we got, maybe you can see that there, but we're opened. If I go up here, I'm just going to tap it, and there we go, and that's a brand new inhibitor, all correctly adjusted. Just thought you'd be interested, mate. I'll catch you later.